Celebrate British asparagus season with my creamy M&S King Asparagus and bacon pasta. First off, get your pasta in some boiling salted water. While it cooks, heat olive oil in a pan and cook your bacon slices until they're nice and crispy. Then take them out and let them drain. Add garlic to the pan and cook for a couple of minutes. In a bowl, beat egg yolks with a bit of cream, then add the rest of your cream to the pan, letting it reduce and thicken into a sauce. Get your lovely seasonal M&S King Asparagus and let it boil with the pasta for a minute. Then transfer it all to your frying pan, add a bit of pasta water and parmesan to the pan and toss well. Season generously with pepper and add a pinch of salt. Add your egg yolk and cream mixture along with some parsley and stir well. Serve into bowls and sprinkle with a bit more parmesan and the crispy bacon. Sweet and tender asparagus, salty bacon and a gorgeous creamy sauce. This dish has got it all. I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from the M&S farms I've been visiting. So stay tuned for more tasty ideas.